Okay, this lesson goes with worksheet 127 on the front, homework 127 on the back, dealing with prefixes dis, im, in, ear, and un. Okay, now in the last lesson video, we talked about what a prefix is. Okay, we reviewed what suffixes are. Suffixes come at the end of a base or a root word to change the meaning of the word. Prefixes, because pre means before, come at the beginning of a base word or a root word to change the meaning of a word. Okay, so we're going to be learning about some more prefixes in this video. All right, so let's start out by taking a look at these three words here. See if you can identify what the prefix in each of these words would be. Remember, what do we do to code a prefix? That's right, we box it. So if you said that un was your prefix in each of these words, then you were correct. Now remember, you have to see, can you pull un away and have a base word or root word left behind in each of these? Yes, you do. Take away un, you're left with happy. Take away un, you're left with fold. Take away un, you're left with wrap. So that kind of gives you an indication of what prefix un means just listening to these words. Unhappy, unfold, unwrap. Okay, if you are unhappy, what does that mean? And that's right, that means you are not happy. If you unfold something, what are you doing to it? That's right. You're taking it apart, right? You're undoing it. You're doing the opposite of folding it. And if you unwrap something, like if you unwrap a gift, what are you doing? Yes, you're taking it apart. You're undoing it, or you're doing the opposite of the base word, which is wrap. Okay? So prefix un means not, or it means you're doing the opposite of something. So it means not or opposite. Okay? Let's take a look at some more. Okay, take a look at those words. See if you can read what they say, and see if you can identify the prefix on those words. If you said to box dis, then you are correct. Dis is a prefix. Now, if you pull those away, see if you have words left behind. Take it away, you have like. Take this one, you have trust. Take this one, you have agree. Okay, so after breaking those down and taking a look at it, you can again kind of get an understanding of the meaning of prefix dis. Okay, very similar to the one that we just talked about, un. If you dislike something, what does that mean? You don't like it, right? If you distrust someone, then you do not trust them. If you disagree with someone, then you do not agree with them. So again, it also means not or opposite. So when you see prefix dis, you know it means not or opposite. Okay. Okay, take a look at these three words. See if you can figure out what they say. See if you can identify the prefix on each of those words. Okay, if you said to box in, you are correct. In is the prefix on each of these words. Okay, if you take it away, this one's incorrect. You're left with base word correct. Insane, you're left with base word sane. insecure, take it away, you're left with the base word secure. Okay? So incorrect, insane, insecure. As you read through those, by now you're probably identifying, sounds very familiar to the meaning of the last two prefixes that we discussed. If you are incorrect, if you put the incorrect answer, that means it is not correct. If you are insane, means you're not sane. Insecure means you are not secure. So again, in can mean not. Now, take a look at this word. You know what that word means or says? You should have identified, again, prefix in, inside. You're left with base word side. Now, you know if you go inside, then you're going in, right? So, obviously, prefix in can also mean in, okay? Like going in or in as in not, okay? Prefix in. Guess what? We get to take a look at some more. We'll just do one. Take a look at that one. See if you can identify the prefix. If you said I am and saw that you were that possible was left behind to make the word impossible, then you were correct. Impossible. M, therefore, means not. Okay? Impossible would then mean it's not possible. Okay? Imperfect. Imperfect. Let me write that one out. Imperfect. Same thing. Prefix M. Take it away. Left with perfect means not perfect. Okay? And let's take a look at one more. All right, take a look at that. See if you can figure out what it says. See if you can find the prefix. Okay, if you said the box IR for ear, you were correct. Now, that's not talking about ear like the ear on your head. It's talking about ear as in prefix ear. Okay? Left behind is base word regular. So it's irregular. So what do you think prefix ear also means if you're thinking about the word irregular? That is correct. It means not. Okay? It means not. Ear can also mean without. So this particular prefix card has in, m, and ear on it because they can all mean in, not, or without. Okay, so far all the ones that we have covered, un, des, in, m, ear, oftentimes they mean not or the opposite of whatever the base word is. Okay. Now, one thing I want to say, one reminder. Remember, don't forget to underline your text evidence and don't forget to put these in complete sentences. Okay. Make sure that you have a subject noun at the beginning of your sentence. Make sure that you have a predicate verb that tells whatever the noun is doing there. Okay. And make sure that those are in complete sentences. If you have any questions about any of that, let me know.